Hey vibrant soul, you're listening to Creative Recharge, Unblock Your Energy with your host, Caria at Akwah. My heart overflows with joy as we gather once again to explore the mysteries that shimmer just beneath the surface of our everyday world. Today, we're going to talk about the profound self-care, investing in your own potential. It's a potent act of self-love that ripples through every facet of your existence. As we navigate this path, I want to share some exciting insights into how I plan to assist you even further on your journey. By investing in ourselves, we are actively participating in the unfolding of our highest destiny and becoming a beacon for others to do the same. Before we journey into the heart of self-investment, pause, take a breath, and set your intention. Find a spot that feels both comfortable and grounding. Allow your body to relax. Release any tension it might be holding. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, turning your intention inward, away from the external world. Take a deep breath, a nourishing breath, drawing in the shimmering light of the cosmos, the essence of love, wisdom, and boundless possibility. As you exhale, release any doubts, fears, or limiting beliefs that may be clouding your vision, preventing you from fully embracing your inherent potential. Now bring your awareness to your heart, that sacred sanctuary within. Imagine a radiant golden light emanating from this space, growing brighter with each breath. This light is your soul's essence, your connection to the divine, the soul of your unique gifts and talents. Allow the light to expand, filling every cell of your being, bathing you in its gentle warmth and unwavering love. Let us set the intention to open our hearts and minds to the transformative power of self-investment, to embrace the courage and trust in the unfolding of our soul's magnificent journey. You may want to seek community through Aura House, which is coming soon. You can sign up on aquahaura.com/waitlist. There's a link below. There will be monthly topics like how to attract abundance, whether it's joy, love, money, a job. It will also have a monthly healing meditation to help you bring in what you're after into your life faster, as well as a live group chat with me to ask me questions. The first 50 people will get it for $7 a month for the first year as we build a strong global Aura House community on the quest of feeling better. I recall a pivotal moment in my own life when I realized that I'd been neglecting the most important person in the world, myself. I had become so consumed with caring for others, with the meeting demands of my responsibilities, I had forgotten to nourish my own spirit, to tend to my own well-being. I was running on empty, depleted of energy and disconnected from my inner source of joy. Now, it was during this time that I stumbled upon a quote that really resonated with me deeply that I want to share with you. You cannot pour from an empty cup. I understood this quote. In order to truly serve others, I need to fill my own cup first, to invest in my own growth and healing. I began to prioritize self-care, to dedicate time and energy to the activities that nourish my soul, such as meditation, nature, walks with my dog Lucy, creative expression, and deep, meaningful connections with kindred spirits. So I began to invest in myself. I noticed a profound shift in my energy, my perspective, and my overall well-being. I feel more grounded, more centered, and more connected. I realized that by investing in myself, I wasn't being selfish. I was actually becoming more effective, more loving, and more radiant. Recently, I've understood to take things a bit further and find ways to help you unlock your most authentic self. This is something that's been a long time in the works, so I'm really excited to share more with you. At the core, personal investment is about consciously choosing to prioritize your own growth, your well-being and fulfillment. It's about recognizing that you're worthy of your own time, energy, and resources. It's about shifting from a mindset of scarcity to a mindset of abundance, knowing that by investing in you, you are actually creating more value, more joy, and more prosperity into your life. Personal investment can take many forms depending on your individual needs, desires, and goals. It can involve pursuing education, learning a new skill, engaging in therapy, or healing practices. It could be traveling to a new place or simply dedicating time to activities that bring you joy and rejuvenation. The key is to listen to your inner guidance, to identify what truly nourishes your soul, and take time to create those experiences in your life. It's important to distinguish between short-term and long-term self-investment strategies. Short-term investments such as indulging in a daily cup of coffee or purchasing a new item of clothing can provide a momentary boost of pleasure, a fleeting sense of gratification. While these are small joys, it's essential to ensure they're not becoming a substitute for deeper, more meaningful investments in your long-term well-being, such as loving yourself. Long-term investments such as pursuing a degree, learning a new language, engaging in a healing therapy or healing practices require a greater commitment of time, energy, and resources, but they offer a far more profound and lasting return. These investments create lasting change in your life, empowering you to grow, to heal, and step into your fullest potential. And these are the investments that have become the focus of my path and what I hope to inspire you today. To truly understand the power of personal investment, it's helpful to shift our perspective on money, to recognize it not as a limited resource, but as a form of energy, a flowing current that circulates through our life. Money is essence. It's a simple representation of value, an energetic exchange between individuals or entities. When you invest in something, you're essentially transferring your energy, your time, your effort into that experience. The key is to ensure that you're investing your energy wisely. What are you choosing to support? The things that align with your values, that nourish your soul, that contribute to your overall well-being. And that brings me to something that I'm so excited to share with you. I have come to realize how vital this is to support you on your journey. And I'm so honored to be on this path with you. It fills my heart to announce that I'm expanding the services I offer to encompass the transformative power of both coaching and healing. I've seen such an incredible result by incorporating both of these techniques into my practice, and I'm really excited to share this gift with you. I have witnessed the potent synergy that arises when these two modalities combine. Coaching provides clarity, direction, and actionable strategies for achieving your goals, while healing facilitates deep emotional release, clears limiting beliefs, and promotes holistic well-being. Together, they create a powerful catalyst for lasting transformation. Coaching is an active partnership, whereas healing opens yourself up to receiving. I see so many people who want to receive and are open to it. But what then? How do you move forward? How do you take the energy and transform it? And that's where this will help you most. So I'm so excited to bring this within reach. So what can you expect from my combined coaching and healing offering? Will you get personalized guidance? I'll work closely with you to understand your unique needs, desires, and goals, tailoring each session to support your individual journey. You'll gain practical tools, techniques, and strategies for breaking through those limiting beliefs, overcoming obstacles, and achieving lasting success in all areas of your life. Through gentle, compassionate healing practices, we will release old wounds, traumas, and negative emotions that are holding you back from really fully expressing your potential. You will learn to cultivate a positive, empowering mind, shifting from a place of fear and scarcity to one of love, abundance, and unwavering self-belief. And for those that want to participate in a group session, you will have the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals, share your experiences, and receive encouragement and support from a really loving community. I'm preparing an array of courses for you too. Let's explore some of these. One of them is mindset coaching. Sometimes we get lost in the direction we want to take and it feels like an upward battle, right? It's like a choice overwhelm. Where do you start? Well, the mindset course gives you a clear path on which road to take. Grief coaching. So often we think about grief and loss in terms of only the physical death of a loved one. But the truth is we grieve many things. The grief coaching can bring you from loss to a path forward. A more balanced you. Now this course is about balancing self-love and how to get your mind and body into a place of ultimate self-compassion. It's about loving who you are, where you are at now. Manifestation and abundance. Now, we're all seeking abundance in our life, no matter what it looks like. I can guide you to find the path to what makes you successful. And if you're ready to clear away the noise and reconnect with who you are now, I'd love to support you through energy therapy. You will find a link below to book in with me. We do these online, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world. Online means you don't even have to leave your couch. How beautiful is that? It's safe and we get to chat in person. This is an invitation for you to prioritize yourself without hesitation. Please take me up on that because you deserve to invest in your well-being. It will give you a greater sense of peace. And now, my love, as we near the close of our gathering, I extend a heartfelt invitation for you to share your desires, your visions, your yearning for what you seek. I'm here to serve, guide, and empower you on your unique journey. What areas of your life do you yearn to cultivate and expand? Share your thoughts, your dreams, and your desires with me. And together we will co-create some offerings that resonate with the deepest needs of our community. Together we will weave a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and to shine their radiant light upon the world. Send me your thoughts. Share your visions, and together we'll create a future that is filled with boundless love, joy, and infinite possibility. I have always found that these things are born through the collaboration. Thank you for joining me on this powerful journey of self-discovery and transformation. As you step forward, remember you're worthy of your own love, compassion, and investment. Trust in your intuition, honor your needs, and embrace the courage to prioritize your well-being. And more than anything, invest in the beauty that is you. I'm so honored you have been on this journey with me. Thank you so much for allowing me to take you on this new adventure. And I hope you'll join me on this next step. Next time, we'll talk about how you can use mindfulness in your workday. Thank you for joining me on Creative Charge, Unblock Your Energy. Remember to honor your path and embrace the gift of your soul. Sending you love and light.